court has said the Boone Regional House of Chief that they should do the right thing, and that was the ruling of the court. And nobody can undermine the authority of Antimaya. Yeah, Koso Ekache, Timamofoni Lance, Asantiman Kasana Kasa.
Yeah, they are said a court. Okay. Near the being some Masantehene. Okay. To say the Okana or Henning Simmons and Wabuasem. And the court Arcadia. Yes, Yenina, I say a Ghana for Infa Pepe and Infantina.
Clearly today is a demonstration of the rule of law. The law has spoken today and clearly Asantiman has won. Today the ruling of the court is a fact said the Asantiman Kano court has said the Boone Regional House of Chief that they should do the right thing, and that was the ruling of the court. And nobody can undermine the authority of Asantiman court. Yeah, Koso Ekache, Timamofoni Lance, Asantiman Kasa no Kasa, and the court not Kasa, Champani Asantiman Kano. They should make sure that the right thing is done until their state of execution has been dismissed by the court. Oh, okay. Has been dismissed by the court. All right. All right. Wadaroma, I'm Brasini Boom, I'm saying Mickey Sampa, and now Wadaroma, I'm saying now Sampa Mahine, no finding Pom Preoccupy, Wadaroma, Brasimo, and clearly from Amas, I'm saying minimum in town, Yagi, and clearly that is where we are as we speak today. And they're back right from the one that had in a ruling. Ruling now, money, and the ruling was given by Santiman and Patulesa Gyafla and Dormaahene. The Boone Regional House of Chief, so many documents in the CD form, about the National House of Chief, or document, you know. Time and again, Manfama, no, Sebi, Ekikashi, we came back to the court. They're back court, and they're going to have a Regional House of Chief, and he said, Omaba, the Boone Regional House of Chief, sorry, the Boone Regional House of Chief. You say, Omaba for state execution, but the state execution was filing the Shinyani jurisdiction. And Samgba has been filing state execution. The state execution, as it's said, to let Gyafla document, you know, Emma Omumfamba Regional House of Chief. Sorry, Emma for the National House of Chief, Emma document, Emma Gazette, you know, by a bar court, court, and they say, near Boone Regional House of Chief, Sebi, and Dormaahene, and now Odano, Sebi, or Sechi, and Asumahene, the court has dismissed their motion that law is not granted in law, it's unmeritorious, and it's unacceptable. And for that matter, they should ensure that the right thing is being done, that the court will ensure that let some of the platform, the National House of Chief will be, you know, it will be taken to the National House of Chief for it to be gazetted. Osani Mrato, so but Chepe said, you can kind of sad or that's John. Your can say, Sebi, what says Sebi, mobile, Omba said there should be state execution. The state execution is a source court no and granted that state execution. And so Chimu, HS and Pampa, Champa, Sebi, Ohimba Media, say, ya must state execution now, station in the group. Station in the group. You have to explain that ground, that reason. Champa, the document in the car, ABR, since I so say, and everybody. Once you were not able to grant your case in law, that indeed if the state of execution is granted or is not granted, it will be affected. You could not replication, replication. And for that matter, when they fail to announce that replication, the court says, look, your application is not fair, it's unacceptable, and for that matter, it will not be granted. And so they dismiss the application. Dismiss the application right. For now, it's not about now. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. But notwithstanding so many almost sending documents, the contempt case will still be attended to. You will still come back to the contempt case for it to be attended to. Okay? So you understand what we are saying? And clearly, that was the ruling today. So the ruling is the fact said Asantiman has reigned supreme. And Asantiman has won. And clearly, all those bloggers, all the young boys out there who don't understand history and who don't understand law to accept the fact that this is the law, and for that matter, nobody. We are telling the Inspector General of Police, IGP Yohono, you are victimized. And then you are the IGP. Omu Sebi, Omu Shobia Horobana, Omu Sebi, Omu Titubia. You are a man of peace, a man of principle. Kanokre. Ibrahim, you are from Bana, so speak the truth. We are not saying, we are not begging you to defend us. We are telling you that speak the truth. the laws of this country are spoken, and the laws of this country has been declared that Tolee Gyafla is the overlord of Sampa. And for that matter, the decision, the arbitration, that Asante-Man, Asante-Man, it's still stand. And nobody can change that position.
Okay. Now, you share that your appeal is 177. Exactly. As I stay of execution, they fought one ball, road now substitute left by Dormaahene, or more ST execution at 12. What about appeal as it is?
So for now, it's if a document in the court. It's the documents in the corner gazette in the Panivia. That is it. Say who appeal, now if you are a pass and power, and your man in a woman. Now there's a DNA test proof. And your man in a woman. Say no one is having come on my baby. So for now, the ruling of the court, if I call your DNA test, not DNA test, says I'm coming your mammy bar. I'm not part of your family. For now, her leadership, Sebi, or Bani William for or the Madisha, or can say to me trans our contempt, Mr. Champa, Dormaahene, ni papa. And it's lawful. It's lawful. There's nothing wrong with that. On Fumoye, because on Fumoye, we have to explain without it. And to on Fumoye, it's up to the Chief Justice to nominate a trial judge. All right, no better assumption for the contempt case to be here. To be pursued, and you are going to pursue it. But for now, we are saying Tolee Gyafla has been vindicated, Asante-Man has been vindicated, and Asante-Man has won, and that is the authority right now as we speak.
But as now, appeal
so for now, the appeal is done on arrival. Your time about appeal, not Tolee Gyafla Gazette. What are you coming to appeal for? Oh, it's moot. It's done on arrival. It's moot. It will be moot. You are the end of the day, say still execution here by Mudia. Nanka you have appeal. But for now, now the call we are so clearly technically, lawfully. Nothing is over. Everything is over. Everything is over. Oh, of course, there's nothing in there. Tolee Gyafla has won and Asante-Man has won. And clearly that's the authority today as we speak. Sanity. Oh, well, near can you say some of Frontiers say, if I'm passing Nasi. Ghana Frontiers say Nasi. Your money and your mamre, your Mrao Kumanum, and they should not forget the fact the 1959 bill of the Bon Ahaf origin. The 1959 bill. The 1959 bill was the Sebi, Yatiti, I crew, the Mantam, and I see Bonafo. And then just Sebi, Obia or Yamfo, and Suma Sante. And then just Obia or I prefer Quanta, what do I say, Anabana, Anadi baby, Anasampa, and some Asante-Man. Get it clear. On Tiasha obey the day. Well, yet the day now you can't send our social media. But here is the forum. Okay, count 170. You have no option than to come here and power 17 out to see what can Sebi. This is the forum to come to attack it. They have come here and the law has spoken that indeed Senate here. And in the air can't say Bonafo and now the Bon region. Of course, say this is the ruling of the court and nothing will change. They should be humble and we should show respect to each other in this country. And we have to make sure, Sebi, you demand accountability from the political class. Omo, NID Sikatri Omuka. They should demand political accountability. Otum for Sebi, Yamikasia, on you be at work. Namobruhu, Ninadoye, and Sebi, Oye. They should demand accountability from the political class. And for that matter, there must be that sincere authority. There must be fairness. For now, Asante-Man has won. For now, Tolee Gyafla is the overlord. For now, the court have said, the Bon Regional House of Chiefs. They should bring the document. So what is over? Of course, you're about to. Yeah. Oh, there's that gentleman here. That guy. What's the name? What's the name? Yeah, of course. I think Mamuling, right? That's the name. I think I saw him here. And for that matter, I saw Bahabi. Of course. So he should go out there. Of course, no, don't go and lie. And don't go and incite people that look, it's lies. And the document, and the people keke. There's nothing like people keke. The authority on the people who determine, and that is why when the trial judge was making the ruling, he made cases of being versus Assemblies of God Church. He relied on this authority, and he relied on the Republic versus Kumasi Traditional Council. And these are the authorities that he relied on before he gave that judgment. And for that matter, if someone gave a judgment, you are joking. And for that matter, of course, that is why we are Ghana. And so you understand where you are coming from, you should understand who you are, and appreciate the position of the law. And so, for the and for that matter, you accept that one can't say bloggers here. This is the ruling. This is the ruling, and nothing can change.
The President House of Chiefs, and they also representatives by.
Well, yeah, I think Lawyer Chian was there. I respect him a lot, but however, Lawyer Chian was trying to abuse the law. Of course, because in a sense, he knew very well, say, what's a law knew to say, of course, it was water that he was presenting, but I respect his view. However, he knew very well that the canvas, he was canvassing on the Section 14 of the Chieftaincy Act. He knew very well that the Section 14 Act that he was canvassing, of course, has been included in the wisdom of the trial judge that he gave the ruling. And for that matter, of course, I respect him, but however, the presentation that he gave was hollow, with the greatest respect. All right, the can say that we be asking, that that's anti-massy, and TN transfer Ghana, and Brazil boom, Nasabi, young Koso, Nayan Trim, in a bay, Ghana BD, in a BD, or there's an apple talk about Kuman. And I thought I said, bit me here, you have to show respect, I have to respect you, I have to show respect to you. I have to show respect to all my brothers. Time and again, here we are with them. I have to show respect to them. If I don't show respect to them, they will not also respect me. And sanity, young Koso, Emfa Ubuni, and DJ, Emma in their home Krumanum. And the way we ask it, and the Ghana for you, I say, I'm grateful.
That's the captain, so the captain had the captain. And then court workers, that's still the program so I'm moving train, court in Shannon, moving train, and that's how much and cut on the bun national. Court they will not to move on. Yeah.
Why are there?
This year was now the who videos just now we are now I the back say was a new brother do wa say ya society say ya adwini say onu no be ma na say wo ye style red no say red no the omunjai why omunjai no winti the court ka aha na efficacy aha so akasa do ye member sama ya somewhere by radio center for wo so ke koya ye twa ke mo krama daji amo say bi nya daji it is so much the court ka ye fanya dunia so